outrageous chocolate chip cookies. And
What's your name?
I'm Chef Santi, and my mom is my sous chef. If you don't know that name, it's like co-worker. But let's get ready to bake. We're putting the brown sugar in the bowl, and then we're gonna put the granulated sugar, and then the butter, then the egg, then the peanut butter, then the vanilla extract. There goes.
Good job, Santi. Okay, what's next?
Now I'm gonna do the peanut butter.
Okay, scoop it all out.
If you're allergic to peanut butter, don't do this.
Yeah, we might need to modify the recipe for those allergic to peanut butter, right? Right.
And here it goes.
Okay.
Now it's gonna look like snow.
Okay. What else do we need to add in, Santi?
Now we have to put in the booger.
What is it really?
Butter.
Okay, and is this butter?
I just made it funny.
Yeah, is this butter really cold or is it kind of room temperature?
It's kind of room temperature.
Okay, it says to put the butter in softened. Yep. Let it fall out. There you go. A whole stick of butter. And now, Santi's really good at this. He's gonna crack an egg. Good job. No shell.
I am really good at cracking eggs, so don't call me. I'm not good.
You're not gonna go to their house, right? They're gonna have to do it themselves, right?
Yep.
Okay. And now, what else are we missing? The vanilla. Half a teaspoon of vanilla. Be real careful when you pour.
I know.
Wait.
Okay, that was a little more than half a teaspoon, but don't worry.
Mixing all the ingredients, what we had over there, and until smooth and creamy.
Okie
And
dokie.
it's going. It's just gonna take like 5 or 4 minutes, or 10.
Or 2.
Now it's funny joke time. What do you call a? What's another name for a snail?
I don't know.
A booger with a crash helmet.
Are we almost done mixing here, Santi?
Yep.
Okay, it's looking pretty smooth and creamy. Okay, we'll wrap this up and then we'll go on to the next step.
Yummy.
It's getting there.
Now we're putting the dry ingredients, the baking soda, 1 teaspoon, and a little bit of salt, and some oats
Okay.
into the flour. There's some more.
It's supposed to be 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt and then the oats, right? Now we're gonna pour all those dry ingredients into the bowl, right?
Yep. Now when it's doughy, it's time to put the chocolate chips and then stir them. And that's all.
Okay, show 'em.
We're making the dough into balls, or should I say spheres. And it's pretty hard, but there it is.
You can go ahead and put them on the tray, okay? Way to cough into your elbow, because, you know, coronavirus.
Now the balls are ready and rolled. It's time to open the oven. I hope they don't roll on me.
Be careful at the oven, right?
Kids, don't do that at home.
Without supervision from a parent or some help.
I did this recipe because of my great grandma, who is in heaven, but If you do this at home and they come good, then it's okay. You can do this recipe however you like. If you don't want to put oats, then that's okay.
Yeah, you can skip the oats if you don't have them or you don't want them in your cookies, right?
Yep.
So remind them what's
Or
the name.
if you're allergic to peanut butter, then just skip the peanut butter.
Okie dokie. So this makes quite a few cookies, so you can share them with your friends, right?
And family.
But just
Or
stay,
neighbors.
do a contactless delivery, right?
Yep.
Okay, stay safe, stay home, keep baking. What else do you
And
have to
we'll
say?
see you next time on Baking with Chef Something. Stay satisfied.
Pretty good.
Very good too.
Enjoy them at home.